Today guys, meron tayo isang sobrang laking box dito na pinadala sa atin ng Infinix. And it's the Racing Edition Infinix Note 30 VIP. I know na hindi siya bago, but ipapakita ko sa inyo dito sa video na ito guys kung ano nagpapa-special dito sa variant na ito. Simulan natin. Sobra ako natuwa nung dumating itong box na ito. It's my first time to have a big, bulky box para sa isang smartphone. And I'm really intrigued na buksan to. And by the way guys, this is collaborated with BMW. At kung ikaw mahilig sa kotse, pag nakita mo itong red, blue, and light blue na stripe na ito, alam mo, it's BMW. Nakasulat dito, push the limits, embrace the speed. Buksan natin. Ganda. And meron pa siyang welcoming note dito na parang diploma. So basically, ang message niya dito is about speed, and more speed. Ito ang gandang packaging. Ganda, guys. Woo! And let's not forget, kung hinila ko tong tali na ito, there's something din pala dito sa loob. Woo! And meron siyang special na VIP card dito na kasama na may QR code sa likod, is-scan natin later. And meron din siya isang special na keychain dito na papalitan ko yung aking keychain ng kotse ko later. So buksan muna natin isa-isa itong mga box na ito. Meron siya dito XE27 na wireless TWS. It looks nice. Mala racing itsura niya. Definitely looking so cool. Meron siya extra buds and charging cable. Ito maganda. This looks a lot better than yung default na kasama niya na freebie doon sa Infinix Note 30 VIP na default edition. Ganda guys, oh. Wow, this is probably for me a collector's item. If you are a BMW lover, I think you should really buy this one. And ito na, ang Note 30 VIP na Racing Edition. Ibang gandang packaging. Kita nyo guys, black na black. Yung binuksan natin, I think it's color green, no, by default. Pagbukas natin, there's a lot of print dito sa gilid. Ayan, yung mga collab na prints nila. Na. Plus yung color. Pero yung plastic ni Note 30 VIP is the same. Nothing special. Before natin buksan to, let's just check the other stuff inside. SIM ejector tool, tempered glass, kanang clear na hard case. I was hoping this one could have been yung special edition din na may BMW na print or kung ano man yung collab prints nila dito, no? Sayang. This could have been better kung special edition din. Type-C cable, and of course, ang 68 watts na charging brick. Naalala nyo kanina sinabi ko sa inyo na mayroong QR code dito sa likod ng kanyang VIP card. Pag scan natin dito sa likod, makita mo diretso siya dito sa Note 30 VIP na page and embrace the speed. Nakasulat dito. May priority service kayo sa car care service center plus meron kayong repair status tracking. Kaya okay na okay, meron ka na itong VIP card na ito. Ito na, the moment that you are waiting. And of course, the moment na inaantay ko rin. Wow! Ang ganda guys. Leather finish dito sa likod. And lahat ng mga rings niya dito ng camera module, meron red na emblem. Ang ganda. It looks very racing-centric. And ang kanyang frames dito is also color red. Not just any red, this is the red ng BMW. So basically, ang design nito is exactly the same dun sa Note 30 VIP, but ang kanyang likod is the one that makes this one special. And later may papakita ko sa inyo na wala sa normal na Note 30 VIP na maaaliw kayo dito sa likod. So quick phone tour ko lang kayo. Sa ibabaw nandiyan ang kanyang loudspeaker and of course ang kanyang noise cancelling mic na may JBL print. Sa gilid nandiyan ang kanyang power button and of course volume rocker. Then sa ilalim nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack, ang kanyang microphone, Type-C port and of course ang kanyang loudspeaker. And on the other side, nandiyan ang SIM tray. It's basically a triple card slot, dalawang nano SIM. And on the other side, it's a microSD expansion port. And don't forget na 5G capable na itong phone na ito. Pinalitan ko na actually ang kanyang lock screen para magmukhang BMW na special edition. Upon boot up, makita mo it's just a normal theme ng Note 30 VIP. Swiping up, pinalitan ko rin ang kanyang theme. So it looks really nice, no? So you can download it freely on Google. So swiping left and right, it's really fast kasi meron siya 120Hz na screen refresh rate. And kung mahilig kayo manood ng mga videos dito sa phone, I'm pretty sure na mas mag-i-enjoy kayo kasi AMOLED na kanyang display. The color resolution is really nice and it's really punchy. Now, the phone na ito is running XOS na 13 inside Android version 13. It has a 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, and of course, it can expand up to 21 gigs of RAM. Now, ang kanyang processor is exactly the same dun sa normal na Note 30 VIP. It's being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050, and ang score na dito sa AnTuTu benchmark nakuha siya ng 800,000 points. And ginamit na dito pag test sa kanyang graphics, it's just a 3D light. And if you want to know yung mga other benchmark na makuha mo dito sa phone na ito, link up here sa aking full review ng Infinix Note 30 VIP. So nag-play ako ng quick game dito, Firelight 84. I was able to enjoy, smooth ang kanyang laro. Wala akong halos na feel ng frame drop. So even na nilagay ko sa all high settings dito ang game na ito, the game was running smoothly. Now of course, one of your favorite features dito is that meron siyang bypass charging. So it's present dito sa phone na ito, even doon sa normal version ng Note 30 VIP. If kung nakikinig kayo kanina, may sinabi ako na there's something special dito sa likod ng kanyang case. Nung kinakalikod ko ang kanyang special features, doon ko na natuklasan ito. So kita nyo dito, umiilaw siya dito habang nakikinig ka sa music, mga notification, which for me looks really cool dito sa device na ito. And here are some sample snaps na nakuha ko dito sa kanyang 108MP na rear camera and some sample snaps na nakuha ko from kanyang 32MP na front-facing camera. If you want more sample photos from this phone, check my full review. And of course, check nyo ang aking Facebook page at gadgetsidekick para makita ng mga sample photos na pinopost ko galing sa mga review units na aking nire-review. Now guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong device na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and of course, subscribe na rin kayo sa aking channel para makakita kayo ng more unboxing like this one here on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.